In 2003, my father went and bought a laser cutting machine, and with that machine, he set up a business in southeast Queensland. By continuing to hire the best available people to purchase the best machines on the market, focusing on customer experience and generally adopting best business practices, the business has grown from one employee with a laser cutting machine to the business it is today. The business has been committed to the principle of continuous improvement, which involves regularly refining our processes, enhancing product quality, and fostering a culture of innovation amongst our team. We are proud to be a family-owned company. This allows us to foster strong relationships between our staff, customers, and other stakeholders.